Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And when we do it, as you can see, the more advanced settings are appear. And one of these buttons here are the gridlines, so by tapping on this we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. Also the yellow color here suggests that they are turned on. And as you can see in the camera preview, they appear here. So these lines should help us to making experiments with composition, taking better picture, and use the rule of third in photography. Also remember that they are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and go to the preview here to the left corner, we can't see it at the picture. So these lines are only to help us to taking better pictures. And of course, when we don't need it, we can turn it off by going again to this button in the right corner and tapping on this button. So for now it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.